Alright guys, I got a 2007 Hyundai SantaFe here. Anytime your AC doesn't work, it could be any car guys. One thing I want you to check is, doesn't matter what kind of car you have, if you have a Toyota and Honda, your AC don't work, check your fuse and relay. I jump onto fuses and relay first thing, and guess what? Common problem in most of the Hondas, Toyotas and Acuras is a relay. See this blue looking thing is a relay. It's like a square little box, but you need to find out what relay it is. All right, so this little truck here, put the AC on, it blows hot air. All right, and one thing you would check is lines that look something similar to this are AC lines. This you'll find a cap with the charging port here that says L on it. It's usually green and or blue, and there'll be another one similar to this. All right, skinnier pipe compared to that. I'll say H on it. All right, just like that. It'll be red. All right, they'll be red, blue, green. All right, and simply see that little pin in there. If you're pushing that, let me get a tool. All right, let me get something. If I can find something. All right, if you take that, don't put your face in front of it, and you push it, you see that it has pressure. All right, sometimes it's air pressure, so you do need to check what kind of pressure do you have, because air pressure won't just circulate. All right, because air pressure can be only up here. Sometimes you push it, you'll have piss, but it's not strong enough. Right, but car needs to have a good amount of pressure, because there's a pressure switch right there, guys. That thing monitors the pressure in the system. Pressure is too low, your compressor will come on, off. You have a little bit of cold air, but not too much. All right, that's because there's not enough pressure. All right, every time pressure goes down, the AC compressor cuts off. All right, guys, so check your AC pressure. But before replacing any component, all right, guys, check your fuses. Any car, you'll find fuses like AC fuse, or AC compressor fuse, or AC relay fuse, or MG, magnet clutch relay. All right, this car I was going through, I found the problem. All right, I had a bad fuse. This is the fuse right here. All right, let me move some of this dirt out of the way. All right, so you'll find a fuse box, something similar to this. Sometimes I'll say a fuse box on it. All right, but most of the cars, they have it here. Some cars have it underneath. They do have, all the cars have fuse box under the hood, but some of them have AC fuse probably under the dash instead of having it here, right? So you gotta check both. All right, so guys, right here it says AC ACON. All right, air condition, that's what that means. That's the number 9 fuse. All right, on this car, simply look at this: screw, two in the middle, 2 across. All right, 2 in the middle, 2 across. All right, so number 9, air condition. Number 9 is right there, right above this little guy right here. So number 9 right above this. 1 2 3. Right, 1 2 3. All right, so this right here was bad. I put that in, and the AC works beautiful, guys. So do check your fuse boxes, guys. Look into the fuses for air condition before you change the AC compressor. AC compressor is not gonna work if your fuse is bad. All right. All right, and it can be that your AC compressor is bad, the fuse is good. Before you replace the AC compressor, you need to go down there somehow, some way. All right, track down the cable that goes into the AC compressor. It's a power cable. All right, what that does is it'll just confirm it for you that the AC compressor is bad. All right, so if it has power right in the neck, that means your AC compressor is bad. All right, because the AC compressor only needs a power and ground. So every time, let's say you put the test light on and somebody puts the AC on for you, the light should come on. They put the AC off for you, the light should go off. That's just to confirm it that your AC compressor is bad, that you're getting power. If you're not getting power there, then the AC compressor, you cannot rule out that the AC compressor is bad. All right, guys? So just do those little things. And if you guys have any questions, send me a message. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. All right, guys? So bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I have my AC machine ready right there to charge this guy up and to check how much Freon it has. But most of the time, I do offer customers that I'll service the AC, because really don't want to charge $100 some bucks for replacing a fuse. All right, if they want a fuse, I charge them my time. All right, like this customer, I'm gonna charge them my time. All right, but I did not go crazy changing his AC compressor just to scratch my head that the fuse box was bad. All right, so I'm gonna call up the customer. Your AC is working. Instead of me charging you for this, I'd rather offer you a AC service. All right, because I'm sure he has never swapped out the oil. There's oil in the system, so you need to service the AC system often, guys. All right, so thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye.